A festive season like no other. This year, South Africans will be celebrating a COVID-safe Christmas under stringent measures. Social distancing, sanitizing, and wearing of the mask is the new norm. And with the country experiencing its second wave of infections, more safety precautions need to be taken to curb the spread of the virus. Government is pulling out all the stops to ensure that the healthcare system is equipped to deal with the rising numbers.
More importantly, the readiness of our health system to deal with the increasing burden of new infections remains a key priority. We are confident that all the necessary preparations and interventions are in place to contain the spread of infections and set our country on a recovery path. It is now in our hands as society to play our part in reversing the spread of the disease and the loss of lives.
And he urged responsible behavior.
While significantly progress has been made in containing the spread of infection during the first phase of the pandemic, the current resurgence and rise in infection continues to demand our collective commitment and adherence to all the COVID-19 protocols and regulations. We cannot afford as a nation to be complacent and let our guard down during this difficult period in our lives. As we celebrate Christmas with our families and friends, we must at all times adhere to COVID-19 regulations and protocols to ensure that each one of us takes responsibility to prevent further spread of this disease.
Mabuza paid a special tribute to all frontline workers.
Our frontline workers in key sectors of our lives embody our patriotic spirit of commitment, resilience, and personal sacrifice. They have put their lives in harm's way in order to save lives and protect all of us. Some of them have paid the ultimate sacrifice in service of our nation. As we celebrate Christmas, we salute all frontline workers for their bravery, compassion, and national duty.
Mabuza further urged society to combat gender-based violence against women, children, and the elderly. He says Christmas must be the epitome of love and compassion. Natasha Piri, SABC News, Johannesburg.